Hello everyone! In this video we'll be looking at the four verbs meinen, bedeuten, heißen and sich nennen. First of all, it is useful to understand that the English verb to mean has two meanings. One meaning is that a person wishes to express something, like in "What do you mean?" And the other meaning is that a thing has a certain meaning, like in "What does this word mean?" German does not use the same verb for both of these meanings. Meinen is to mean in English, but only if someone means something. And this can also mean to refer to. For example, was meinst du? What do you mean? Ich meine den Mann mit der blauen Kappe. I mean the man with the blue cap. Ich meine, dass der Tank gleich leer ist. I mean that the tank will be empty very soon. If you wish to express that a thing means something, then you cannot use meinen. You use bedeuten. For example, was bedeutet dieser Satz? What does this sentence mean? Das erste Wort bedeutet Liebe auf Französisch. The first word means love in French. Das bedeutet, dass wir uns beeilen müssen. This means that we must hurry. The noun Bedeutung means meaning. The noun Meinung means opinion. Because to mean has an additional meaning in German that English does not have. Namely, to believe, to think, or to be of an opinion. For example, meint, seine Frau geht ihm fremd. He believes his wife is cheating on him. Ich meine, wir sollten langsam losgehen. I think we should be going. Sie meinen, habe das Geld genommen. They are of the opinion that he took the money. This is often used to express that it is just someone's opinion, or just speculation, or even a false belief, or that it is just how you feel. Then let's look at the next verb, which is heißen, which you probably know as to be called, like in Ich heiße Tim. My name is Tim. Die Stadt heißt Düsseldorf. The city is called Düsseldorf. But it also has the second meaning, to mean, but it is more specific in its use. It is used to clarify a direct definition, or it gives the pronunciation of a word. Like, das Zeichen heißt Liebe und es heißt Ei. This character means love and it is read as Ei. Das Adjektiv luxuriös heißt prunkvoll. The adjective luxurious means full of displayed wealth. It is also used in combination with das, as in das heißt, that means. Was heißt das? What does it mean? Was soll das heißen? What's that supposed to mean? Das heißt, wir können nicht lange bleiben. That means we cannot stay long. And then last we have the verb sich nennen, which means to be called, like heißen. This is used to introduce a name of or a term for something, especially when you explain a new thing, so something unfamiliar to someone. Diese Maschine nennt sich Kinematograph und kann Lichtbilder auf eine Leinwand projizieren. This machine is called cinematograph and it can project pictures onto a screen. In Deutschland kann man die Fenster diagonal öffnen. Das nennt sich dann das Fenster kippen. In Germany you can open the windows diagonally. This is then called tilting the window. This verb is rarely used with living things, but it can be used if someone is using a fake name or an alias, like Bruce Wayne nennt sich Batman und jagt Verbrecher. Bruce Wayne calls himself Batman and hunts criminals. Let's look at what we've learned. Meinen and bedeuten are both to mean in English, but meinen is when someone means something, and bedeuten is when something means something. Bedeutung means meaning. Meinung means opinion. Meinen can also mean to believe, to think, to have an opinion or a feeling or a false belief. In casual speech, this also means to say or to express a certain opinion. Especially for definition of words, you can also use heißen to express to mean. This verb usually means to be called. In the context of pronunciations, it also means to be read as. The phrase das heißt equals das bedeutet. When written, this is often shortened to dh. Another verb that means to be called is sich nennen. This is used when introducing unfamiliar things to someone. Und das war's. Tschüss!